Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review Keychron K6. I received yesterday and have been using for a day for office work. I will share my some experience that I faced and some of the issues that I see with this keyboard. We'll be sharing later on this video. Before that, take a look at what comes inside the box. The box comes with a self-start guide for K6. It gives you the layout, buttons, Bluetooth, on and off, Windows, Mac. Additionally, you will get extra keycaps. They are Windows key, Mac keys are already on board, so you can always swap based on your which system you are using. Also, it comes with USB to C to USB A cable. Physically, this keyboard is very light and sturdy, and there is no problem so far in playing or typing experience, except it's bit thick. Here you can see the thickness. At the top end it's 4 centimeter and the bottom end it's 3 centimeter. Personally, I like this keyboard. It's like straight away connect to the Mac, and the keys are good. Gateron red. You can choose whichever key you want. But there are certain things that I want to point out. The first one is the letters that are printed on the keyboard. They are very thin and light, and it's very hard to see when the LEDs are off, especially in the daytime. Without LED, it's not even, I'm not able to make it out the letters for function 2, where are the function keys, and that's something that is a bit annoying. Other than that, it's more of a personal experience where we have the backspace and the LED buttons. I accidentally keep hitting LED button instead of backspace because they're very close. Having said that, I really like this keyboard. The Bluetooth connectivity is very fast. The keys are good. They are very smooth in typing as well as playing. The small form factor is portable, and the most important thing that I was looking for is the Mac connectivity. I didn't face any issue with the connectivity. It kept connected. Thanks for watching this video.